Now at this point, I've gone ahead and I've placed our piece in the clamp here, or in the vise. Always make sure that there's no issues with your workbench in between the vise, because sometimes there's nails and screws and different things that you don't want damaging your piece. We're gonna come through here, clamp this in using that vise, and then we're gonna use a chisel and a mallet. Now, there's a few different ways to do this. I have found the most successful way is to just come down, and we're just gonna take a little bit off at a time, aligning the chisel, not with a back line, but with a little bit further forward, and we'll tap that off, move it across, tap that off, move it across, tap that off. And then we'll come back through and tidy this back section up here. So, like this, it's not right up against the back line either. It's about 2 millimeters away from that back line. Set that up, and just, as you can see, the slightest touches are just having it removed. Perfect. Like so. Now, that was super easy, and I'm pretty much, at this point, almost done. So we're sitting here, I've got the smallest little bit of a lip right there that I need to get rid of, and then I just want to tidy up this section here a smidge. And that's why we left it at 2 millimeters, so that if it did break, hopefully it wouldn't break the whole way back through. I've got the smallest indentation, which I'm not stoked with, but life will go on. To tidy this up, once again, you can put it back in here, like so. And just very cautiously now with that chisel, I'm just going to come to this side here, align that, and I'm just going to push down. Like so. And that's removed that edge, most of that edge there. Yep. And then I'm going to come across and I'm going to do the same over here. So once again, we're just pushing this through. I'm not using the mallet at this point because I don't need it. I'm just here to try and remove any slight bump or lip that may be there. It takes a little bit of time, and don't expect it to be perfect that first go, but by going slowly and steadily, taking your time, you will get it to a point where it's nice and smooth and comes out on a nice angle, and will fit with your piece later on. What you do to one side, you must go through and do to the other. See you guys after you've done both of those.